In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do when your Coinbase transaction is pending or stuck. If you've just sent or received crypto and the status hasn't changed, don't panic. Most issues clear up with a few simple checks. First, give it a little time. Many transactions that appear stuck will clear on their own after a few minutes. Network congestion and normal blockchain confirmation times can create short delays. While you wait, avoid resending the payment or making duplicate attempts since that can lead to confusion and extra fees. Next, make sure your internet connection is solid, then fully close and reopen the Coinbase app. A weak or flaky connection can cause the app to show outdated information. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the status updates once the app reconnects cleanly. After that, open the transaction in Coinbase and check the details. Tap the option to view on Block Explorer. This takes you to an independent blockchain tracker that shows exactly what's happening on chain. If it says pending or unconfirmed, the network is still processing it. If you see confirmed with a number of confirmations, that means the blockchain accepted it, and the app should reflect that shortly. The Explorer view is the source of truth, so it's a great way to separate a display delay from a genuine network delay. Make sure your Coinbase app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes misreport statuses or fail to refresh correctly. Head to your device's app store, check for updates, and relaunch the app to pull the freshest data. If you sent crypto, know that blockchain transactions can't be canceled once they're broadcast. That's by design, and it's what makes crypto irreversible. If it's pending on chain, the only path forward is to wait for confirmation. Be cautious of anyone claiming they can reverse it. Those offers are almost always scams. If your transaction has been stuck for more than a couple of hours and the Block Explorer still shows no progress, reach out to Coinbase support through the app. Use the in-app help or support section so your request is linked to your account. Provide the transaction details visible in the app, like the asset, amount, time, and the on-chain link so the team can investigate quickly. To recap, give it a moment, refresh your connection, verify the on-chain status, update the app, understand that sent transactions can't be canceled, and contact support through the app if it's still stuck. With these steps, you'll know exactly what's happening and what to do next.